So here's my completed journal. So I created a playlist with all the videos to show you how I made this journal. It's a single signature journal, and I just counted 28 pages front and back in here, so it's not huge, and I just wanted to make a little one. So I've done a fold over fabric cover, and there's a jiffy bag, one side of a jiffy bag envelope, and between this, so it's got a nice sort of feel to it. So there's a little fabric pocket that I've made there, and just some tags that I've made. That's a freebie download from Artie Mays, and so just put some tags on here, and then going through, I've got some digitals here. I think, oh, this is from the old design shop, I think. In there, printed on parchment paper and sort of aged a bit. And then that's a vintage book page that I've stamped and done some paper napkin on it, an old map, and this is from a Edith Holden sewing book that I got that from. This is a vintage receipt that I got in a antique shop, and that's just a little corner tuck there. And then these were some more vintage paper with some more napkin on there, and that's a little envelope that I've also decoupaged on there, and on the inside I've put some dictionary paper there, so that's just a little pocket. I haven't put anything in there, so that's just decorating that. And these were stamped on with different stamps and coloured in, and these are the same, just to make some little tags. These are backed onto cardstock, so they're quite stiff. There we go. Just a doily. This is a book page, so several book pages to create these pockets, and then a tuck spot there, and then these tags done to match. That's a nice big tag that I've done, and some sort of die cuts. It's got a Parisian theme to it, because I've got some paper napkins that have got Paris scenes on it, which I thought I quite liked. A little bit of a vellum pocket there with a die cut, and that was a shrunk down receipt there on parchment paper, and just a little handmade journaling card there I've done with die cuts and things. I think this is some Artie Mays picture digitals. This is old design shop. Again, put it on parchment and folded it down. I liked the look of those words with these words. Nice big tag there, and some napkins on there. This is a vintage postcard that I scanned and put onto copy dyed paper to give you an area to journal on. This is some more of that Edith Holden sewing book, and so I've done a pocket at the back, and then that's a pocket there in the front. Which I cut the back off, which I shouldn't have, because now it's really hard to make sure you're in the pocket. That's that little sort of Tim Holtz-esque. I made my own with some punches, and and then made these. That is a fold out one with a little bit of hidden journaling there. Managed to slightly damage that. Oh, adds to the appeal, I think. That's a nice little mason jar there. And then the last page, this is, I can't find me paper clips. This was a freebie from G from Happiness in Crafting, I think. So that was nice. I thought that went well with the colours on here. And then that was just a bit of quite thick cardstock, you know, 12 by 12 scrapbook paper. So I've just added, I think these are Artie Mae's tickets and things that I bought. Some paper napkin stuff, and then another vintage postcard there. And that's it. So I've cut up an old skirt of mine to decorate the front of it. I've not put any like book plate or anything on that because it's fabric, and I didn't know, something might speak to me at some point to finish this off if I want to, but for the moment that's it. And I just added this little pearl thing here as a closure. So hope you like that. I say I will put it in a playlist and you'll be able to see how I made all the elements in this. So it's a nice little one. It will get chunky as I add things, I'm sure, but I just thought this was a nice size journal that could quickly get filled. And I'm gonna move on and make my next one. Okay, bye for now.